G'day, it's Adam here from Just Good Kit, and today we're just doing an instructional video on how to install our new grab handle bag for Jeep Wrangler. But before we get into it, I just need to make sure that you're aware that you need to read your owner's manual for your particular vehicle to make sure that this bag is appropriate for your vehicle. The main reason is because we don't know where all your airbags are, and this is designed. This bag cannot be placed in front of those airbags. We have a warning label on the front just to remind you when you're installing it. But if you do purchase the bag and you find out after reading your manual that it's not appropriate for your vehicle, then let us know and we'll give you a complete refund. Anyway, with that out of the way, the features that we need to identify in the bag for installation are these top straps and the buckles. So the top strap will go around the actual grab handle, and they have a very fast, quick release clip on the top. Now it's important to note that there are some buckles here. And it's important that when you adjust the strap to go around the bar, that you take up all the slack in the strap with these buckles, because over time, when you're going over the trails and it's bumping around, these clips will work a little loose. So the buckle at the back will assist in making sure that the straps stay tight. The other part of the bag which is critical, which will increase your leg room, is this Velcro sandwich at the back. Now, this is Velcro hook, and we've applied a piece of nano tape to the back of it. We found that ordinary automotive tape, a sticky tape, does not adhere to the textured plastic on the Wrangler's glove compartment. So this is 50mm nano tape, and we've applied that to the back of the hook Velcro here. When you get your bag, it will have a piece of cellophane on the back, and so, but I've had this particular piece of nano tape off and on my dash about 8 or 10 times now. So anyway, we'll get into the first installation before I get into how you can remove it and adjust it and all that sort of stuff. So really, you just apply it to the bag. It will come already applied. But before you do, just take off the cellophane, which will be on top of it. The best way is to climb into your Jeep. It's just started to rain. So I've adjusted these just for speed. And so you just click them around. There is some Velcro loop there to help protect your grab handle. Take your fingers and thumbs, grab it, and push it underneath the grab handle. And then push the bag against the glove compartment. That will, you have to leave it there for at least 12 hours to make sure that the nano tape bonds to the textured plastic. After that, you can actually remove it, and the nano tape will stay adhered to your glove compartment. Now, if by any chance you muck it up, it doesn't matter, because, and I'll just take this off again, you can actually wash it. If it gets sticky fingers or anything else like that on top of it, you can just get some water, give it a bit of a brush down, put it back on the bag, push it under and push it back. Now the best thing to do is leave it there for 12 hours so it has a chance to bond with the plastic. Don't fiddle with it, don't take it off again, and so it'll stick. But if all that fails, you can actually take your glove compartment out, as you would know, and stick it manual. So there you go. That's how you install the grab handle bar bag for your Jeep Wrangler. Thanks for listening.